today I'll be doing a short intro on just how to build an agent in AgentKit using MemMachine. So we are actually going to integrate with AgentKit's agents using our MCP server. So on the right here, I've already preloaded a quick demo. So I started out by asking, what do you know about me? And it searches the memory, and then it actually searches twice because I believe it wanted to get a little more information. And here you can see approved. It's because I currently configured it so that it always asks for approval before calling the tool, but you can also make it do it automatically without approval. So here we see that it remembers that I am planning a trip to Phoenix, Arizona in mid-January next year, and that I enjoy hiking and Mexican food. Next, I ask, I also like history. Can you recommend me some museums for that trip? So here we see that it searches memory to actually find out what trip I'm referencing, and then it adds that to memory so that it remembers that I like history and I like museums. I also configured a web searching tool. So here we see that it's calling the web search tool. And then at the bottom, we see that it gives me some options. This is a really simple demo, but I'm just going to show how I configured everything. So within AgentKit, you can just add a tool. So here I added an MCP server, and then I just configured it to use these two tools. At the top here, we see our ngrok link. So I have my backend running here in Docker. However, I also exposed that port to ngrok to help battle some TLS issues. So I just have to paste this link and type /MCP at the end, which you can see here. Once you do that, you can just configure if you want approval, never ask for approval, or configured. Here, I added some simple instructions. So you are a chatbot, use the tools as you see fit, yada, 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 and ask it to pass the exact query. This is a very simple workflow. However, you can definitely add multiple agents, and then you can even configure it so that they're all using the same MCP server. That way the agents will have a shared memory.